Okay, so question 9. Jack wants to find out how far people live from their nearest supermarket, and he uses this question on a questionnaire. How far do you live from your nearest supermarket? 0 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. Write down 2 things wrong with this question. Now there's more than 2 things here. What could we say? Well, first and foremost, well, he's asking about how far, and there doesn't seem to be any mention of units here. So we've got no units. In other words, 2 meters, 2 miles, 2 hours. So that's one of the things that we could write. Another thing, and it's a typical answer to these questions, is actually very often the boxes overlap. If I did live 2 away from my nearest supermarket, which box would I pick? So that's a problem. So I'm going to say overlapping boxes. And that's an issue. There's also a third one. What happens if I live more than 6 away? We could also say that the choices or the boxes are what we called not exhaustive. And that means that if you did live more than 6 away, which option would you choose? There is nothing for you to pick, so that's another potential answer here. Now it says underneath that Jack also wants to find out how often people go shopping. And we're asked to design a question that he could use on his questionnaire to find out how often people go shopping. So fairly straightforward. My question, how, and I'm going to say how many times per week do you go shopping? And the next thing that I need to do is I need to give some options. So you need at least 3. I'm going to do 4, just because I can. So let's get 4 boxes ready. So we're going to say, well, between 0 and 2 times per week, or 3 to 5 times per week, or 6 to 9 times per week, or more than 9. And that should get us the full 4 marks.